Hello students, how are you? Students, if someone speaks to you in front of you, he is sitting and you are talking with you, you will understand easily what he want to say you, because sometimes he uses facial expressions, gestures, and because of that, though you do not understand the word or sentence, you understand what he want to say to you. Suppose he want to share his happiness to you. He feels happy, and in words it easily you can catch. Sometimes he raises his voice. Sometimes he want to show angerness. Easily one can understand it. But what about if he is writing? If writer want to say something, how will we understand the writer want to share emotions? A writer is becoming angry, or a writer is asking question to you. How can we understand? And that's why in language there are 4 types of sentences that helps us what writer want to say, or what is he is asking to us, or what he want to share with us. So today students, we will learn 4 types of sentences. Let's start. The first one is declarative or assertive sentence. We also call it statement. Declarative sentences make a statement. They tell us something. They give us information, and they normally end with a full stop or a period. Period is another name for full stop. Declarative sentences can be positive or negative. I am watching video. I am not observing carefully. In our life, we mostly use declarative sentences. These are some examples. You can read it. Keep in mind, we use full stop at the end of declarative sentences. Second one is interrogative sentences or question. Interrogative sentences ask a question, they ask us something, they want information, and they always end with a question mark. Interrogative sentences can be in positive or negative form and in any tense. Is it something outside? How are you feeling now? Was the samosa good? Did you like it? Does it taste good? How do you close this? All these are interrogative sentences. Now third one is imperative sentence or command, request, order. Imperative sentences give a command. They tell us to do something, and they end with a full stop or period or exclamation mark or point. Look at these examples. Help, please call me, go now, don't sit there. Number 4th is exclamative sentence or exclamation. Exclamative sentences express strong emotion or surprise, and they always end with an exclamation mark or point. Look at these examples. What a beautiful place! How tall it is! Wow! Hey, what a brilliant idea! Today we learned there are 4 types of sentences. First, declarative or statement. Second, interrogative, question. Third, imperative. And fourth, exclamatory. Thank you for watching it. Please like it, subscribe it, and share it. Please find Google form in description box to understand and study more types of sentences.